Hey everybody. How are you guys doing today? So, I have a DT haul and a Michaels, and there's a couple of Dollar General things I got and a couple Walmart things I got. I kind of mixed it up. We used to not have a Dollar General in the area, but where my daughter lives, which is about, 25, 30 minutes away, they actually built a Dollar General. So I was able to go in there and just grab a couple things that they had. Their crafting area is not real big, but at least it's a Dollar General. So I was excited because I've never been in one before. So I'm going to show you what I got at Michael's. And like I said, the Dollar General stuff was kind of mixed up. And then I grabbed a couple things at a grocery store that they had $1 bin. And it was only a couple things. So I'll show you my Michael's / Walmart / Dollar General first, and then I'll show you the DT stuff. So hopefully I didn't mix the DT stuff in there because of the names. Okay, I'm drinking my coffee. This is my favorite cup. And it has Irish creamer in it. So, let's start here with Michael's. I got this here. First of all, they didn't have much yarn. I was actually looking at some clearance yarn and they didn't have any. So I got this washi chomper and it makes little like flag type things. So I got that and I used my 50% coupon on this. So I only paid like $5 something for it, which was a good deal because it was originally $12, close to $12. And let's see here. I got this. Now, I needed some flat nose pliers because I can't find mine. I have all these, but it was cheaper to buy this kit so I can get these than it was to buy just one. It was the same price, so I have a little extra. And then I got these because I'm going to make a tutorial. I'm doing something with these. I've been looking for them. And I got these because I'm going to do the same thing. I'll make a video on them, a little tutorial. I'm going to do something with BB Craft with these. Yeah. Okay, let's get now they had a lot of beads on sale. So I just grabbed a bunch of beads. I mainly went there for my granddaughter because they had frozen stuff, but I couldn't find any. And sorry for the crinkly noise. I'm trying to find all my beads. Some were 97 cents, some were just $1.97. So I'll make charms or earrings or something out of them. So I think that's it. So I'll show you my beads I got. So I got these. Those were 97 cents. $1.47. Aren't those pretty? Put those out so you guys can see them. See here. I thought these were pretty. I saw another YouTuber haul some beads that they had theirs on clearance. It's always nice to see what my store has. These were $1.47. Oops. And then I got these. I thought they were cute. And I got some of these skulls, I think they are. Oops. And then I got these. I was eyeballing these. I thought these were super cute. And then I got these. They were 97 cents. I got these daisy spacers, which I was getting low on. So I thought, I can use some more of those. All right. I believe that's my Michael's haul. And then some of these I got at Dollar General. I got some washi tape. Pearl beads. Tape runner, because I always need tape runner. Let's see here. Okay, I think that's it for... Oh, this was Michael's too. I got these at Michael's. I thought they were cute. I could always use them for stuff. And so, Walmart, I got these pocket, they're like baseball cards or whatever you want to put in here, but I'm using them for pocket letters. There's 36, 35, 9 pocket pages. I got this at Dollar General. It's a metallic paint marker. I got these at Walmart because they're cute. And I got these stickers. I got 3 of them because I'm going to do something with them. Make charms or something out of them. I got some of those. And these I got at the store. I got some pins because I love pins. And I got these craft pom-poms for $1. So those were cute. I'm doing something with these. I got these at the store too. Mini gel pins. But those were cute. And a sticky pad that I got at the local store, grocery store. There was like dollar bins there. And they're 3 inches by 5 inches. I got those. Alright. Show you what I got at my Dollar Tree. Of course, I didn't buy this all at one sitting. It's been sitting here. I just haven't had a chance to do it. So I got some of this mix for packaging and stuff like that. And we finally got some Heidi swap in. So they're glitter reinforcements. And my Dollar Tree is finally carrying. Well, they're sold out right now, but they had some Baker twine. And I got some of these. Oh, these were from the Dollar General. They're sequin stars. Got mixed up. And I was able to find some adhesive dots from Crafter Square. And I have been looking for these containers. I think I got 3 of them. Sorry, something fell. Okay. I got 3 of them so I can put my sequences in them or beads. So I got 3 of them. I wish my Dollar Tree had yarn like everybody else's does. Mine does not. And they never did. I thought this was pretty neat. A stenciling wheel. I'm going to try it out and see. And I got some of these hair ties. I'm constantly putting my hair up. My daughter has longer hair than mine, and so I grabbed just a couple of them. I found my Dollar Tree finally had these mini papers, and the reason I got these because they didn't have these the other day, so I grabbed them at my local store, but I was able to find them finally. And then my Dollar Tree is now carrying Mod Podge, so I just grabbed. I have a lot, but might as well, right? It's only $1. And some plastic bags, reclosable bags. And I got this confetti tube. Probably use them for shakers or something. I don't know yet. Then I got some of these dots. Green diamond dots. And then I saw these. I saw somebody else haul this. And I was like, oh, they have them at my store finally. And I got some more Heidi Swap reinforcements. Oh, I got this at Walmart. It's an open letter thing. I just had that sitting in there. I got these at Walmart too. They're just, different type of beads. Starfish. I thought those were neat. I got these at the Dollar Tree. Oops. And then I got some reds because I'm doing something with these. I'm doing a Meet Me with Die Cuts swap, and it's a Christmas and July theme. And then I got blue. And then I got these at Walmart. I needed more. I can never have enough of those. I go through them. I got these at Walmart too. I need more book rings. And let's see. I got some of these acrylics, jewel gems. I'm getting there, guys. I got some of this glue, liquid adhesive. Some of this is that I went a couple times. I didn't get this all once. I got this so I can wipe off if I'm going to do embossing or anything. Anyway, it's a stencil brush. So I got that. I got some of this correction tape. Just so I can. My husband was looking for this the other day, and I thought, oh, I didn't buy any of those, but I did. So, yeah. Bought index cards to do things with when I do journals and whatnot. And then my store is finally carrying. Well, they were. I don't know if they still are. These cute beads, and I have seen these on other people's hauls, so I got some of those. Yeah. And then I got some of these. Aren't those cute? And some of those. And then they finally got some jump rings. I have some jump rings. I just always try to pick up extra. But I thought for $1, that was awesome. And some more baker's twine, because I always need that. All right. That was from a couple paydays. I just wanted to do it all at once. So yeah, that is my DT haul, my Walmart haul, and some of my Michaels haul. I just wish they had yarn that, you know, that I wanted. They just didn't. And my Dollar Tree doesn't carry yarn. So anyways, y'all, this is my Dollar Tree haul. Also, I'm doing the Christmas in July fairies. I hope you go to my video and, you know, make a comment if you're not a fairy already. Or if you're not a fairy, you don't. If you're a fairy, you can't. But if you're not a fairy, you can enter it. All you got to do is make sure you put enter me in the video or on the comments. So please go by and enter my Christmas in July fairies. And I will link that video down below in the description box. All right, y'all. Okay, friends, I'm going to get off here. You all have a great day and stay safe out there.